This tutorial guides installation of your WrapLander DIY Topo line kit. For best results, use a clean shaded work area. Prep the surface. Wash and fully dry your vehicle. Clean the area, especially the edges, using an 80-20 mix of water and isopropyl alcohol. Prepare the vinyl. To make application easier, unroll the Topo kit vinyl. Apply a little heat with a heat gun and smooth it out. This allows the vinyl to lay flat and is easier to handle. Peel the vinyl from the sheet and begin applying it to the vehicle surface. For the most professional, finished appearance, ensure that every line starts and ends on an edge or body seam. To shape the line, gently guide the vinyl into position with one hand while using your finger to firmly press it into place with the other. If you don't like how the design is going, no sweat. Just peel the line back up and start again. Like the lines, the circles can be shaped as desired and do not need to remain round. Getting the vinyl to lay flat without wrinkles is a precision step. To achieve a tight and smooth finish at the edges, you may need to apply a slight, gentle stretch as you press the final curve into place. If you are using an accent booster kit, install those lines exactly the same way. If a wrinkle appears during placement, simply lift the vinyl, smooth the wrinkle, and reapply. Use a sharp razor blade to cut all excess vinyl. Crucially, cut every body panel seam on the vehicle. Separating the vinyl at the gaps prevents lifting and ensures a professional finish. To achieve a dashed line look, first measure and cut the vinyl line into even segments. Then, evenly apply the resulting dashes to the car surface. After the entire design is placed, use a heat gun to post-heat all vinyl. This step activates the adhesive for a strong, permanent bond. Focus the heat specifically on all edges, seams, and corners, applying firm pressure immediately after heating. This ensures the vinyl conforms completely and will not lift later. After installation, the vinyl must cure. Park your rig in the sun for several hours and wait at least 3 to 5 days before washing the vehicle or hitting the trails. For long-term durability and to protect the bond, always hand wash your rig and completely avoid automatic car washes.